Hi, my name is Haukur, and I'm one of the founders of Sundra, a content marketing software. Content marketing is all about creating valuable and authentic content for your audience. This content can be videos, it can be podcasts, it can be blog posts, and it can be much more. The problem is that creating unique and branded content for each one of your marketing platforms is very time-consuming. I know this problem myself, because in my last business, I did a lot of content marketing. I was usually spending between 3 and 5 hours each week just taking one content and adapting it to the different marketing platforms. I tried various types of software, but they all required a lot of manual work. I tried hiring a virtual assistant, but it cost me more than $800 a month. And that is why we created Sundra. Sundra actually automates this process. So the system helps the user record a single video and then automatically transform that single video into all the types of content that user needs. What that means is that instead of me spending 5 hours doing it each week, I can now do it in 5 minutes. Instead of me spending $800, I can do it for $39. So essentially, Sundra is 60 times faster doing the work than I was, and it's more than 20 times cheaper than hiring somebody else to do it for you. The content marketing industry is a $400 billion industry, but we're just focusing on small and medium-sized businesses that are already buying content marketing software. Our go-to-market strategy is actually to partner up with web-based video editors and become a plugin or an add-on to those systems. We have a very experienced team with a track record of getting things done. We already have our first paying customers. We have committed angels, and following Supernova, we'll be doing a pre-seed round. Sundra, helping you succeed in marketing.
Oh, it was a really good presentation. I think you answered everything, but there is one thing that I was missing, and that was sort of, and I just want to say, like, the value proposition was really clear. But why will you win competition? That's sort of what was stuck with me.
Sorry, can you say that again?
How and why will you win the competition? How do you win?
So our competitors are focusing on a completely different thing. So if you look at the other people that are working in the content marketing industry, they're mostly focusing on helping users to create the best possible content. Mm-hmm. So you have video editing software that actually can help you create awesome videos. You can edit them, add all kinds of things to it. But the problem with all these solutions is they're very time-consuming. I tried a lot of them, and they all require a lot of manual work. The way we do it differently is that the output is quality output, but we're actually focusing on doing it the fastest way possible. So that's how we differentiate ourselves from the competition.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Good. Great. Fantastic presentation, Haukur.
Thank you.
I was thinking of the same. I was thinking about the kind of the revolution that has been happening specifically this year on like AI, in terms of summarizing text for blogs or automatic video editing. Mm-hmm. Are you leveraging these tools, GPT-3 and the image processing we are seeing now coming to the market? Like every day there's a new tool to...
At the moment, what we're doing is all of the solutions we have in the system are solutions that are already out there. We're using APIs and solutions that are out there and that we can easily use and start the program. But what we're actually going to do then is we're actually working on building on an AI on top of that, that will actually help us automatically edit the video. So for example, let's say that you record a video where you talk for 20 or 30 minutes, the system will automatically be able to cut that down to maybe 10 or maybe 20 shorter videos that you can then schedule on your platforms.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What's the first target market? What's like the ideal?
Okay, so we're actually very excited about focusing on knowledge creators. Mm-hmm. These are people that are selling their knowledge online, that are selling online courses, and these are people that are very used to being in front of the camera. They do all of this already. It's going to be easy for them to adjust to the system. And one of our angel investors is one of the best knowledge creators in Europe. Mm-hmm. So we actually already have a way in there. So we're very excited about that.
Yeah, just wanted to say, since we ran out of time, good luck. Sounds like you know what you're going to do, so go and chase it.
Thank you so much.
Good luck with it.